Welcome. Today we'll learn how to differentiate the function y equals e to the power of cosine x. Let's start by writing out our function. To differentiate this function, we'll need to use the chain rule. The chain rule states that when we have a composite function, we multiply the derivative of the outer function by the derivative of the inner function. Let's identify the parts of our function. The outer function is e to the power of something. It's an exponential function. The inner function is cosine x. Now, let's recall two important derivative rules. First, the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. Second, the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. Let's apply the chain rule step by step. Step 1. The derivative of the outer function, keeping the inner function as is, gives us e to the power of cosine x. Step 2. The derivative of the inner function is negative sine x. Step 3. According to the chain rule, we multiply these together. So our final answer is y prime equals e to the power of cosine x times negative sine x, which we can write as negative e to the power of cosine x times sine x. Let's visualize what's happening with the diagram. Here's our original function, e to the cosine x in blue, and here's its derivative in green. To verify this is correct, notice that when cosine x is at its maximum of 1, our function e to the cosine x is at its maximum, and the derivative is 0 because sine x is 0. When cosine x is at its minimum of negative 1, our function is at its minimum, and again the derivative is 0. The derivative is steepest where sine x is at its extremes of 1 and negative 1. And that's how we differentiate e to the power of cosine x using the chain rule. Remember to first identify the outer and inner functions, then apply the chain rule by multiplying the derivative of the outer function by the derivative of the inner function. Thank you for watching.